Yeah, hi. I'm Harshitha. I'm here to tell my journey with Fortray and how I landed my dream job being an IT support engineer with Fortray, with the help of Fortray. First of all, I heard about my Fortray from one of my friend. Later, when I inquired and told about my background, because I'm basically from a non-financial background and had zero knowledge about the information technology, like they supported this is the basic level course which will be easy to start up your career in IT, and their introduction made me take up the course of IT support engineer, and later the induction and the training provided by the Fortray was excellent, and I could gain more knowledge on IT. Later, coming to my interview process, everything went smooth with the proper preparation and dedication towards the course what I have taken. Made me special thanks to Abdullah who marketed my profile, who prepared my um, profile for the recruiters to reach out, and then special thanks to Arij who helped me in preparing my profile, and who altered my LinkedIn and my CV, and which made the recruiters choose my CV. So I'm especially thank Abdullah, Sara, who helped me in preparation for the interview, and all the staffs at Fortray are very excellent with their professionalism and the way how they guide the candidate with each and every step. Um, the main challenge I focused being a non-financial, non-IT student, I was like with a low confidence about the things what I was learning. Later, with the certain practices and the interviews that I attended with the Fortray team, made myself be confident enough to attend the interviews and to grab the dream job. So I would highly recommend Fortray for to anyone who is looking to start up their career in IT industry with the good start, and uh, you can trust them blindly to grab the job.